So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your email account, right? Your Gmail account, then in your Gmail app, right? Now, normally the Gmail app comes with virtually every phone, right? If you got a new phone, it's virtually the same process, right? Matter of fact, if you got a new phone, the process might even be a lot simpler, right? Because I think once you open up the Gmail app, it will just give you that pop-up, right, to add a new email account. It's really that straightforward because you haven't already, right? But if you already have and you just want to add another one, right, all you just have to do is click locate your Gmail app, right? Virtually comes with every phone you can get your hands on. Find your Gmail app. Mine is grouped in this Google folder. I click on it, so I find my Gmail app. I click it open, and the first thing I do is find this picture of myself, or at least the picture of the account that is currently logged in, or a letter, right? It could be a letter if you don't already have a particular picture synchronized across board as far as that Google account is concerned. So I'll just click on this photo of mine, and here it shows me one account that I'm signing to and yet another one. So here it says add account and manage accounts on this device. I'll add accounts, or add one. So it's asking whether I want to add a Google account, an Outlook, or Hotmail and Live, or Yahoo, Exchange, and Office 365 other, right? Other is basically where you find all these kind of like professional the kind of ones that you create via others type you create when you have, say, like a domain name. So you have an official name, you created one through Softaculous, all those kind of things, long protocol, right? But we want to add a Gmail account, so we'll just click on Google. If it was a Yahoo, I'll click on Yahoo. Okay, so it's asking me to verify it's me. I verify it's me. Waiting for it to load. Give it a minute. Okay, so here we add in our email address. We click on next. I'm going to require the password. I've already have my password in the clipboard, so I'll click on next. Okay, so we publish, blah 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 blah. I agree, thank you. Okay, so it's synchronizing. Okay, I believe it's done. I don't know, it just magically took me back to my home page. So I'm just going to go back to the Gmail app, click this. Okay, it's logged in, right? So we have a third email here. Just click open on it, voila. Okay, we're in the email. So that's how you add your a new email address to your Gmail app, right? The Gmail app is just a Google app, an app that Google created, right? But it can house all your almost all kinds of emails, right? It can house your Yahoo email address, right? It can house your Gmail email address. It can house that official email address that you created that is neither Yahoo nor Gmail, whatever it is. Chances are the Gmail app is going to house it, right? It mustn't be a Gmail account that you input there. It mustn't have like your name, blah blah blah, at gmail.com. It could have a Yahoo or any other kind of extension, right? So that about does it for logging into your Gmail account, right? Into your to your Gmail app, right? So if you didn't understand anything, feel free to replay this video over again to make sure you don't miss anything. But if in fact you believe that I did miss something, we're all humans, we make mistakes, right? Feel free to leave me your question in the comment section. I'll be sure to respond to it as quickly as possible. And oh, one more thing, please give this video a like, a thumbs up, right? It helps the algorithm find other people like you who need this information. If you found this piece of content very useful, feel free to give it a like. I know if I ask you to share, you'll be reluctant to, but so a like wouldn't hurt anybody, right? It would actually help the algorithm suggest this video to other persons just like you who would want this video, who find this video actually quite useful. Okay, thank you very much for watching.